Hi everyone, my name is Elodia and I'm the Business Development Executive in ASA Tiles. So today is another day at the office. I'm going to show you guys how I work and how I deal with my projects. Let's go! To begin our showroom tour, we conduct a general consultation about product design and features. One of our signature installation is this heat-resistant sintered stone with a hidden stove for a beautiful seamless kitchen. This is our project team office. Let's take a closer look on how we work and get to know my teammates. Welcome to our office.
項目由地基開始到完成嘅時候，自己都有份全程去跟進，當中所獲得嘅滿足感同成功感係無可取代嘅。尤其是當客人收貨嘅時候，獲得佢哋嘅贊同同埋讚賞，就係我繼續努力嘅目標。嚟緊未來嘅日子，我都希望可以帶領我嘅團隊，繼續參與香港唔同嘅基建，同大家一齊成長。
準備好嘅樣板，我哋會先消毒，能夠為收到樣板嘅人提供專業嘅資訊之外，喺呢個疫情底下，亦都加上一份安心。再配合精緻嘅包裝、良好嘅保護，唯有將樣板可以安好咁送到去客人嘅手上，即使望落去好似微不足道咁樣嘅事情，對於我哋嚟講都係專業嘅表現。
由我加入亞細亞開始，我就已經不斷學習，包括行業上嘅一啲專業知識，例如設計同埋工程等等。知識嘅增長同埋個人嘅進步，令到我多咗好多機會，可以同行業上唔同範疇嘅專業人士一齊探討唔同嘅話題，由物料到設計再到工程。因為呢啲原因，我識咗好多專業上面嘅朋友，可以令到我不斷學習，不斷開拓眼界。
I think what I like about working in ASA, besides the healthy and supportive environment, is we can tap into our creativity. So by manufacturing design materials and provide the design solutions, we make ideas turn into reality. And for me, working on something tangible is very satisfying.
And what's your main duty?
My main duty is to work with international designers, architects, and developers, and many more. So I'm happy to be getting involved in the design process until seeing the complete project, and it's an honor to collaborate with them.
Do you have any difficulties?
Yes, I do face some difficulties, mainly because of the language barrier, but my teammates helps me to get through it, and it's more easier for me to adapt to the workflow like that. So yeah, teamwork is really important, so I really value that.